Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make vegan corn pie. Okay, I have with me 1.5 cup of cornmeal, half cup of milk, coconut milk, and 1.5 onion, garlic, scallion, carrot, and all my pepper type, my colors pepper, cilantro, and parsley. Over to my pot on the fire. I'm going to put my ingredients in the pot first. I'm going to put my onion, my garlic, and then I add everything else to the pot. To the pot, I'm just going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Looking very good. This pie is going to be nice. Okay, just add some dry parsley. 1 teaspoonful. Okay, just add a half teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay, 1 tin of creamy corn. And this is the whole corn, and a tin of the whole corn. One is creamy and one is whole. Looking good. Also smell good. Okay, I'm gonna add my half cup of milk, and this is coconut milk. Okay, and I'm going to slowly add my cornmeal. Okay, coming on good. When I'm finished with it here, I'm gonna put it in the oven. I have my oven on preheat. Sorry. Okay. Turn it until it gets smooth. Okay, it's holding my tin here. I'm gonna put vegan cheese on top, and it's optional. You can put whatever cheese you want to, but this is vegan cheese. And I'm going to put it in the oven for half an hour. I have my stove on 350 and I'm gonna put it in for half an hour. It's coming out very nice. Let me have a taste. Mm. Okay, please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.